Once we have identified the specific procedure, step-by-step procedure for stain removal, now I shall show you some specific stains and how you can take care or how you can treat those stains here. First one, a very common one that I have here is an oil stain or a grease stain. How do we treat it immediately? Suppose you are wearing something silk and that some oil spills on it. How are you going to immediately treat the stain? I will show you. I have this talcum powder with me. I am going to sprinkle some talcum powder onto it. You will wonder what the talcum powder will do. It has got some element of chalk into it, okay, which will help to loosen up or to remove the stain. So I am trying to rub the surface of the fabric where I have got this oil stain with the help of this talcum powder, as you can see, slowly and gently, so that the fabric is not getting spoiled, and I shall remove the excess of the talcum powder from here. Can you make out now that the stain has little bit lightened? And after this, remember to follow the entire procedure, step-by-step procedure for a normal stain removal. Another such kind of a stain that I have here is a wax stain. So sometimes in some kind of an event, suppose a wax falls on your fabric, could it be a tablecloth or something, how are you going to then immediately treat this stain? So I am going to be using a blunt knife over here. Okay, remember, not a sharp one, because you are going to use it on the fabric. I will use a blunt knife and I will try and scrape off this wax with the help of this knife. Okay, the wax which is on this particular fabric. So I will scrape it off very slowly. Understand that it has to be a slow procedure. You can't scrape it, one, because you are handling knife, and two, because it's a very expensive fabric maybe on which you have got this wax stain. So once I try to scrape it off, you will see that this excess of wax is getting removed. I will try to remove it. Again, very gently I will try to remove some more wax. Now what do I do if the wax is not getting removed even after scraping it? I can't go about spoiling my fabric. So there is another step to it that you can follow, dear students. So I have these two tissues over here with me. I am going to be placing this fabric which has got a wax stain in between this particular tissue, okay, and I will have a preheated iron here. Again, remember that the iron shouldn't be too hot, it should be warm, and I am going to be then moving this warm iron onto this fabric which is between the two tissues. So you will wonder, how is it going to help? It is going to help melt that particular wax, which I can then easily scrape off, which was difficult for me in the initial place. So right now, this was a demonstration. So once you move the warm iron over this, the wax will loosen up and it will be easy for you to remove the wax, and then follow the regular stain removing procedure for any particular fabric. Another such common stain that I have here with me is a nail polish stain. Okay, I will use the entire procedure of identifying the stain, okay, classifying it, and now I have identified this as a nail polish stain. I have to use a certain specific reagent to remove the nail polish stain. So I have an acetone over here. I am going to be using this cotton swab, and little bit of acetone I am going to pour it on the cotton swab. Now acetone is a reagent which we use to remove the nail polish stain. Just be careful when you are using any kind of reagent. And then I am going to be using this particular reagent on this nail polish stain. The way that I am going to remove the stain, I am going to start from the center of the stain and then move it towards outward. So slowly I am moving it. Do not rub too harsh because it's a fabric. Remember, you can see that the stain is getting removed slowly. So I have used this acetone for this nail polish stain, and I have started from the center and slowly moving towards outward. You can see, if not completely but little bit of nail polish is removed, I will use some more acetone and try to remove the entire stain. Once this stain is lightened up now, again I am going to be cleaning the particular stain with the regular stain removal procedure, which is using the cold water, hot water with detergent, and sometimes if required a bleach or a sunlight. So these are some steps that we have followed for specific reagents. A list of stains and reagents will be provided at the end of this presentation. Thank you so much. To remove certain tough stains is definitely a challenge for housekeepers. Certain stains are stubborn and take time to remove. I am going to show you one of the most important and very useful techniques for a stain removal, which is nothing but the use of steam to remove the particular stain. Usually a professional laundry, we have steam guns which are used directly on the stain and which helps to remove the stain. But for the lab purpose, I can give you a small demonstration on the use of steam to remove a specific stain. So I have a certain stain on this fabric and I have a hot boiling water in front of me, which is, I can hold the fabric on top of this hot water or over the steam, and definitely you can see a very good result that the stain will be quickly removed with the help of a steam. You have to be very careful while you are using the steam to protect your hands, etc. And also, otherwise, as I already mentioned, in professional laundries we have steam guns which efficiently and effectively, very quickly remove the stains. So you can see the stain has a little bit lightened up, and this is one of the very effective method of stain removal. Thank you.